There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, are you just seeing my video for the first time? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. And if you want to be the first to be notified of my new video, please do hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload new video, you will be the first to be notified. And for my returning subscribers, oh my goodness, thank you so much guys. Thank you for always supporting me. You guys are so amazing. You guys are so lovely. Oh my god, I love you all so much. And if you are new to my channel and you subscribe right now, right now, may God continue to bless you, and you are welcome to my channel. Oh my god. So guys, today's video, it's all about this everyday makeup, simple makeup. Okay, so if you are a learner like me, this makeup is for you guys. Oh my goodness, you see the way I put everything together. So you are going to be seeing everything step by step. Okay, so there is not much editing of this video because I just want to show you how I achieved this look. Oh my god, I'm not a makeup artist. I don't do makeup for no one, just for myself. So I decided to share it with you all, the way I do my simple makeup and my everyday makeup, guys. So I think I will be doing this more on this channel. All right. Yes, I need to learn more. Okay, so and you have to learn with me. So guys, continue watching my video to the end and you will see how I managed to put this look together. See you on my next video. Bye. Hey guys, hope you guys are doing fine. So guys, today's video is to show you how I do my makeup. Okay, by myself, without makeup artist, you know. So whenever I'm going for an occasion, I normally pay for to do my makeup, call makeup artists, you know, to do my makeup, then I will pay. So this is how I normally do my own makeup. Maybe if I want to go to church or somewhere not very heavy like that. Okay, this is how I normally do my makeup. I clean my face first and wait for it to dry, then I go in with my primer, whatever. Okay, that is just it. So if you are a learner like me, I think you have to jump into this very fit your channel to learn this with me. With this, it's still okay, you know. So that is just it, guys. I love it. So right now I will be using this, my it's also a primer, you know. Is to make sure that you don't have, if you are the type that have oiling face, this primer is for you. So right away I'll just go ahead to put some wet lace on my lips so that I will not feel anything so dry. Then I will use this setting powder for my eyebrow. Then I'll go ahead to draw my eyebrow. You all know I already made the eyebrow. Okay, but I really like it to be more bigger than this. That's why whenever I'm doing my makeup, I always add you know, I use eye pencil to, you know, to make it more large than this. Okay, but if I'm just going out, you know, as in walking around, going for an appointment or work, something like that, I normally leave my brow like that. So right now we just go in with the glue to make sure the brown doesn't fall apart later on or start pulling out. You know, I don't know how to really put the word, just to make sure the eyebrow is in place, guys. Then I will be going in with this another waterproof eyebrow. So that is just it. So right now I want to do my, what is it called, using the concealer to make sure the eyebrow, they are in place. So I normally like using my foundation. Is very good, and it's helped me to put everything in place, you know, as you can see. So that is just it. You can actually use your concealer to put everything in place, but I prefer using my eyebrow and it's okay for me. I prefer using my foundation. It's okay for me. Yeah. So right now we just use my setting powder to make sure everything is okay, you know. So now I want to do my eyeshadow. Okay, this is the real place where you need makeup artists. I'm telling you the truth. This place is very, very hard to do. All right, so you see this color I'm using, guys. I love it. I love it though. So this orange color is so good. Anytime I wear this color, I feel something so positive. Yes, I love it so much. I don't know why. These two color I'm using right now is my favorite color. I love it. Even when it comes to dressing or shoes or whatever, I love these two colors together. So right now I'm done with the God, I'm just laughing. I'm done with the eyeshadow, guys. You understand? So I just use the first one, then put that one. If I'm not a makeup artist, so don't come here to come and tease me. So this is how I do my makeup. All right, then I use my glue, then put my lashes, then use my setting free spray. Okay, I'll cut my tongue today. Then right now I'm going to be using my foundation. Okay, so if you want to use your foundation, I think it's better to use this. Okay, I also have the brush, but this is okay for me. I love the way it's very soft. Okay, you know, doing this makeup, I was just dancing and dancing. I can't even stay one place, you know. I'm telling you the truth. I was so nervous. I said, oh my God, do you think I'm going to do this thing right? Especially when you have camera on. If you are just doing it for yourself, I think it's better than facing camera and you are doing this for people to watch. There are lots of people out there that they are ready to tease you. So I'm just doing my contouring. God, so bear it like that. Is it the place to put concealer? I don't really know. So I'm just trying to belong. Oh my God, doing makeup it's not easy. Oh. Hey, those people, you will do makeup, you will watch video to this makeup. My guy, you will still have problems. So right now I have concealer under my eyes. Okay, so sorry about that. I thought my camera was recording when I was putting the concealer, but later on I found out that there was no video there, so I'm sorry. Okay, so I just use my my concealer. What is the concealer? I like Tabby. I don't know. Okay, so let's go. So right now I'm going to be doing the what is it called? Brushing. My goodness. God, I'm still using the same sponge. What's it called? Okay, now. So you know. Anyway, I love this makeup. So stop joking. Don't play. Stop playing. All right. Don't play, or you will learn in a hard way. So I love this makeup, guys. So right now I'm using my setting powder. Right. You know, just setting the under of the eye where I put my concealer earlier. You see, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. And Osas is beautiful too, you know. Osas is a beautiful girl. Sissy Osas is a beautiful girl already. You all know that. Makeup up without makeup. Don't worry about it. Okay. I'm a fine girl. One try. So right now you can see everything is coming out. It's popping. Yes, so it's popping. Don't tell me you can give me 5/10. At least half mark is okay for me. Don't go and give me 4, 3, no, 5, 6, 7. No, I know you cannot give me 7 because this is not really a perfect makeup, but it's okay. It's a good makeup. Let me put it that way. So if this should be exam, I think I'm going to be getting B. C is also good too. Alright. I know I'm not going to get A, but there are lots of baddest makeup artists there. They do makeup for you, you go run. So that is just it, guys. You see the way I put everything together. So if you are learning, just do it this way. You are still going to be looking so beautiful, even though you are not a beautiful girl. all women is beautiful. So that is what I believe. So you are going to be looking so beautiful. You all know my baby.
Every night
I'm talking to her. I'm talking to him at the same time doing my makeup. Oh my God.
well.
You see, the reason why I really love this makeup is this. Just check my neck. I didn't do anything. You guys have been watching this video from the beginning. You can see I didn't even touch my neck, even with the sponge. I didn't even use it to patch it to make sure. But look at my face and my neck. Everything is the same thing. They all blend well. So why are you telling me I don't know how to do makeup? There are lots of makeup artists. When they do makeup for you, your neck will be black, while your face, you understand what I'm saying. So only this alone, it will make me to even get A. Alright. So don't let anybody tell you don't know how to make up. As long as you can put everything in place, don't go doing makeup. So right now, I just want my makeup to be my eyebrow to be very, very poppy. Then I add some little dark what is it called? Okay. So wait, you can see everything. I'm trying to do this under eye. My goodness. Anytime my makeup artist do this under eye for me, so beautiful. I love it. So I'm trying to do the same thing for myself. I hear when doing it. Oh my goodness. Because I was doing my mouth. Hey guys, so if you are just starting doing makeup, or you want to, I don't know how to do the word, that you really want to be doing this makeup by yourself, my girl, try to do it this way. Okay, just try to do it this way. It's very, very good. I love this makeup so much. Okay, you can't tell if I'm just learning. I know where I need to really buckle up. Where I really need to really learn is this eyeshadow fitting. My goodness, I've tried so many times to do this eyeshadow, especially the brow, you know. But the brow is okay now because I have the shape there already, so I can just follow it up. But when you come to this eyeshadow fitting, my goodness, you know, I don't really know how to put the word, but I think I have to learn. I have to watch more video of makeup, you know. So right now I'm using my setting spray, you know, to make it look more beautiful, poppy. This is the shining one. Oh my goodness, oh my God, look at the cat. God, hey, this makeup was done by Session Sass. Oh my goodness, and my head too is on flake. Oh, the hair too is looking so beautiful. Oh my goodness, you see, everything just blends together, guys. Look at my neck, look at my face, look at my hand. Okay, you see, it's very, very good. Look at the way everything is looking so beautiful. All right guys, see you on my next video, and bye.
And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would.